Most gurus out there are selling you a pipe dream, the idea that there's some magic bullet or secret shortcut to scaling your business overnight. They dazzle you with fancy funnels, complex strategies, and promises of 7 figures in your pajamas. But here's the honest truth, that those gurus don't want you to know. Growing a wildly successful business isn't about tricks or overnight miracles, it's about mastering a few fundamental proven strategies that actually work in the real world. So, are you tired of spinning your wheels and chasing every new tactic? Are you frustrated with inconsistent leads or unpredictable sales and the struggle to deliver the results your clients deserve? What if I told you there's a simple step-by-step system that can change everything? A method that's driven over $1 billion in sales for my clients and fueled my own journey from 0 to 100 million. Because that system exists and I'm about to break it down for you step by step. Now, my name is Chidester. I am the founder and CEO of Elite CEOs, and I want to cut straight to the chase. I'm not some guru who's never built a real business before or just popped up overnight with the perfect business and a stack of cash. I've been in your shoes, frustrated, overwhelmed, wondering if this whole entrepreneur thing was a giant mistake. I wasted a ton of money on courses that promised the world but delivered nothing. And the truth is in the beginning, I spent over $50,000 on different coaches. I bought every shiny object and still struggled to make this work. But here's the thing, I'm stubborn. I refuse to quit. And I'm here to tell you it does get better. That $1 million business isn't just a dream. So why should you listen to me? Because I've taken a skill and turned it into a $100 million plus business online. I've helped thousands of clients build their own 6- and 7-figure empires.
Starting a business with absolutely zero money, but it can be done.
Tanner Chidester, the online entrepreneur.
Tanner Chidester, a millionaire entrepreneur.
Tanner Chidester, who's a mega digital entrepreneur. He's got an incredible company called Elite CEOs.
Tanner has generated over $70 million in the online coaching world.
But it didn't always look this way. 2 years in, I'd barely scraped together $2,000, and feeling like a failure was an understatement. I was drowning in debt, and I was working myself to the bone. But instead of giving up, I got angry at the gurus selling false hope. I got angry at myself for falling for it. And so I went rogue and I decided to scrap everything the gurus were teaching and try something different. And that's when it all clicked. Using this new approach, I began selling my personal training services as high ticket programs, and I became an online high ticket fitness coach. And within the first 90 days, I was making $50K a month. Then under a year, I reached my first 7 figures. Now, I'm not sharing this to brag, but to show you that without a doubt, you can do this too. Now, maybe you're skeptical, maybe you've been burned before, and I totally get it. But if I can turn things around, so can you. Now, whether you're just starting out or you've been grinding for a while, you can break through to the next level. That's why I created the Epic Growth Playbook. It's the exact 6-step process I've used to scale my business from 0 to $100+ million and replicate these results for my clients, generating close to $1 billion in total sales. Now, these aren't just theories, and over the next 6 days, I'm gonna walk you through the precise strategies, scripts, and templates that have driven these results. Now, to get you started, I'm giving away a completely free 6-video part series packed with my entire system. You're gonna discover the secrets to crafting high-ticket offers that attract your ideal clients, build a system that consistently attracts and converts leads and closes sales with confidence, and this training will also help you break free from unpredictable results and achieve the success you deserve. Now, here's what you can expect over the next 6 days. Day 1, we're gonna go through how to craft offers that practically sell themselves. You're gonna discover how to craft offers so good your prospects feel compelled to say yes. Then we'll delve into the top niches for profitable offers, the pricing strategies for 10K plus months, and how to position yourself to attract premium clients. Day 2 is the $1 million lead generation system to generate a flood of high quality leads. And I'll share my methods for combining effective organic strategies with paid advertising that delivers predictable results. You're gonna discover how to attract the top 1% of buyers, scale personalized conversations organically, and then leverage Instagram hashtags like a pro. Day 3 is gonna be nurturing leads into clients. On day 3, you will know how to turn millions of leads into paying customers with my signature nurture system. You're gonna get my ideal 7-day email and text sequences, phone dialing scripts, and strategies for creating engaging social media content. Then on day 4, we're gonna go over our simple yet powerful sales strategy. I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to qualify leads and confidently close high-value deals. I'll share essential sales scripts and strategies for consistent conversions. Then on day 5, we're gonna go through client results that fuel growth. You're gonna discover the secrets to delivering incredible client results and creating testimonials and referrals that drive your business growth. I'm gonna share strategies for client onboarding how group calls can scale your fulfillment. Then on day 6, we're gonna talk about doubling revenue without any extra ad spend. So how to maximize the value of every client. You'll discover how to create an offer suite that turns clients into repeat buyers and build a winning team to support your growth. By the way, it doesn't matter if you're just starting at 0, even if you have no experience or you're just getting started, these trainings will show you how to go from 0 to 10K a month and then to 100K a month and beyond. Now, right now, the stage where I'm at in my life, it's not about how I can make the most amount of money, but rather how I can add the most amount of value. So with that in mind, I will give you one quick warning, and that is the biggest mistake most people make is they actually never get started. They never take the first step. Now look, because I'm giving this away for free, I know most people watch the videos and then go about their day. But if you're truly committed to scaling your business, if you're tired of the same old results, then don't be one of those people. Don't just watch this video and then not actually dedicate the time to go through the course. So block out a time on your calendar and really commit to consuming all the content. And most importantly, above all else, apply it and go out and take action. So with that in mind, welcome to the 6-day Epic Growth Playbook from 0 to $100 million course where I will be literally giving everything away for free. This entire course is going to be posted on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to turn on the notifications so you can be notified when the videos go live. You don't have to give me an email. You don't have to give me a single dollar. You don't have to give me anything. Just show up, watch the videos to take the time out of your day to really commit and go through the content and then finally go out and take action. Remember, the only thing holding you back is inaction. This is your opportunity to break through and build the business you've always dreamed of. So start your growth journey today.